Have you ever been in the middle of a project and felt like you were losing track of everything? Or maybe you've worked on a team project and struggled to keep everyone on the same page. If so, then you know how important it is to have a good project management tool. In today's fast-paced world, project management is more important than ever. With so many different projects going on at any given time, it can be difficult to keep track of everything and make sure that everything is on track. That's where project management tools like Basecamp come in. Basecamp is a popular project management tool that is used by millions of people around the world. It is a powerful tool that can help you to stay organized, collaborate with your team, and get your projects done on time. How many users does Basecamp have? Unfortunately, there is no definitive answer to this question. Basecamp does not publicly disclose its user numbers. However, there are a few estimates that we can look at. According to G2, Basecamp has over 2 million users. This estimate is based on G2's own data, as well as data from other sources. Another estimate comes from Capterra. Capterra estimates that Basecamp has over 3 million users. This estimate is based on Capterra's own data, as well as data from other sources. Finally, a third estimate comes from BuiltWith. BuiltWith estimates that Basecamp has over 5 million users. This estimate is based on BuiltWith's own data, as well as data from other sources. So, what is the correct answer? It is difficult to say for sure, but it is likely that Basecamp has somewhere between 2 and 5 million users. What are the benefits of using Basecamp? There are many benefits to using Basecamp. Here are a few of the most notable benefits. Easy to use. Basecamp is very easy to use. Even if you have never used a project management tool before, you will be able to get up and running quickly. Powerful features. Basecamp has a wide range of powerful features, including to-do lists, tasks, discussions, files, and more. Collaboration. Basecamp makes it easy to collaborate with your team members. You can share files, leave comments, and assign tasks to others. Affordable. Basecamp is a very affordable project management tool. There are a number of different pricing plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your budget. Who should use Basecamp? Basecamp is a great project management tool for anyone who needs to stay organized, collaborate with their team, and get their projects done on time. It is especially well suited for the following types of users. Small businesses. Basecamp is a great way for small businesses to manage their projects and stay on top of their work. Freelancers. Basecamp is a great way for freelancers to keep track of their projects and stay organized. Teams. Basecamp is a great way for teams to collaborate on projects and get things done. Students. Basecamp is a great way for students to stay organized and keep track of their assignments. Basecamp is a powerful and versatile project management tool that can help you to get more done. If you are looking for a project management tool that is easy to use, affordable, and packed with features, then Basecamp is a great option. If you are interested in learning more about Basecamp, I encourage you to check out their website or watch some of their tutorial videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.